To set up the Apple TV remote on your iPhone or iPad, follow these steps. Once you've set up your Apple TV, the remote control will be available on your iPhone or iPad. To connect the Apple TV remote to your device, access the control center by swiping up or down on your screen. For operating systems 12 and newer, swipe down from the upper right corner. And for older versions, swipe up. The Apple TV remote should be visible in the control center. Click on it, and a list will appear. Select your Apple TV and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. If the Apple TV remote is not visible in the control center, go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down to the bottom of the control center and tap on the More Controls button. Then, click on the plus icon next to the Apple TV remote option to add it to the control center. With these simple steps, your iPhone or iPad will be connected to your Apple TV and ready to function as a remote control.